Given question is asked in GATE CSE 1996. So they have asked which of the following is false. Okay. So your first option is given as 100 into n log n equal to big O of n log n divided by 100. So what does it mean? We can write this as 100 of n log n is less than or equal to c dot n log n divided by 100. Okay, so where c is a constant. As we know, this is a big O notation. So because of big O, it means this 100 of n log n is less than or equal to n log n divided by 100. Suppose here if we take in place of c 1000. Okay, so because of 1000, what will happen here? This will become 10 n log n. Okay, let's take one more zero. So what it will become? 100, then 100 n log n. Suppose we have taken one more value, one more zero. Okay, so this will become what? 1000 n log n. So this will become greater than this 100 of n log n. And when we are taking this 10,000, okay, so in that case this will become 100 n log n. It means this right hand side may be equal or greater than this 100 of n log n. So this option A is correct. Okay, because it is satisfying the condition. Here what option B says, under root n log n is equal to big O of log n. So what does it mean? Log n, because of root we can write it as power 1 by 2 less than equal to c log n. Okay, so because there is nothing common, so we can take log here. Okay, so if we taking log here, what it will become? 1 by 2 log n less than equal to c log n. So if we see clearly, this is only log n, and if we because we are taking log one more time, so this value will become lesser. Okay, so we are expecting here greater value, but actually it is lesser value. So this option B is false. Okay, let's go for option C. Okay, so in option C, what they are saying, there are two functions, n to the power x and n to the power y, and x must be less than to y. Okay, so if we take x as 1, so we have to take y greater than 1, means 2, 3, 4, like this. So this will become n to the power 1 and this will become n square. We can clearly say n square is greater than n. Okay, if we are taking x as 2, so we have to take y as 3, 4, 5, like this. Okay, so from n square n cube and n to the power 4, that will be greater clearly. So here we can say this is following the condition of big O. Okay, n to the power x is big O of n to the power y. Okay, let's go to the further option. Here what they are saying, 2 to the power n not equal to big O of n k. So here k is constant, so this is an exponential function. Okay, and this is a linear function. What does big O means? This side should be greater or equal, but because of a linear function, okay, this value will be lesser. Okay, and this value will be greater. So we can clearly see this is not following big O property. Okay, so this is false because they have given not equal to, so this also true. So because they have asked for false option, okay, so our correct option is option B. Okay, I hope you got the answer. Thank you.